Problem here is that when we talk about jumping the 101 and evacuating Malibu, all it takes is the winds running at the speed that they're running. It can carry an ember for several miles. So that's all it takes is a couple of them to just get across the highway and it's off and down towards the coast.
Hi, October 29th, 2023. It's 4:25 in the afternoon, and there's a wildfire 2 miles away from here in the reservoir, straight down there in the Chatsworth Reservoir, that's not contained. It's burned 5 acres so far. So to err on the side of caution, I'm going to hook up a Y valve and fire hoses on the fire hydrant on the corner of where we live. First, I'm going to start laying out the hoses. First, we loosen the fire hydrant cap with the fire hydrant ring. And we hook up the valve. Hook up the hose.